Are you searching for the best CNC offline controller? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best CNC offline controllers in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. 4-axis, 5-axis standalone CNC Motion Offline Controller DDCS Expert USB Interface. Digital Dream is a numerical control company specializing in the research, development, and production of various CNC, computer numerical control systems since 2008. Digital Dream aims to combine high quality and high reliability with affordability. The DDCS Expert is a 3x5-axis motion controller for open or closed stepper and servo systems with 710.2 full-color display screen. The highest output pulse per axis is 1 MHz. The users can self-define the functional keys. This controller supports multiple spindle mode, supports straight tool magazine, gantry type magazine, disc type magazine. The operation system interface, even though very comprehensive, can be learned in very short time. The DDCS Expert numerical control system adopts the ARM+FPGA design framework. ARM controls the human-computer interface and code analysis, and the FPGA provides the underlying algorithms and creates the control pulse. This guarantees reliable control and easy operation. The internal operating system is Linux-based. The DDCS Expert can be used for many styles and types of CNC machines. Lathes, routers, pick-and-place, and mills. Lathe and cutters are just a few examples. The DDCS Expert operates as a standalone system without the need of a computer. This guarantees high precision, accuracy, and reliability.